Hey folks, it's Phil here with Indian Head Chrysler, and I wanted to show off one of our brand new Kutty X2s, new for this year from Biktrix, 2023 model. And what's unique about this guy is not only does he have all the fixings like he used to, we're going to go over that in a minute, he can also fold through the middle here, as you can see the brake there. So that way you can fold it up and you can fit it in your SUV or your car, fits in almost everything. And it just snaps right back together, good to go. You can also lay down the handlebars, as they have a similar function here of folding down. Now, what's really nice about this unit is you're going to get access to upgraded options like seats. There's a Pro Men seat here. This guy also has a headlight, as you can see up here. Lots of extras that you can add onto this. You are going to get 5 individual speeds for the actual bike itself, for the electronic part. You're also going to get an 8-speed Shimano transmission. So it's not even a Biktrix one, it's better than that, it's Shimano. So you're getting a really good deal here. It is a rear drive, the hub's back here on the rear tire, but it does have quite a lot of power, and with those different settings, you don't necessarily have to always be holding the throttle here to have access to that power. You can kind of set it and forget it as long as you're on a long enough road. But really nice options. You can also add in options like a saddlebag on the rear rack here. You can upgrade the brakes, upgrade the headlight, lots of different options. So come down, take a test drive. We can do test drives on these guys. If you've never ridden one, you're doing yourself a disservice. You owe it to yourself to come down here and ride one of these and see what it's all about. These e-bikes are crazy and they're a lot of fun. So come down and take a look. Give us a call at 306-695-2254. That's here at the store. You can ask for myself, Devin, Liz, or Eddie. Any one of us can help you out. And come take a test drive, call it in, and come find out why everybody else is driving, or in this case, riding, another Indian Head Chrysler.